how to connect Power BI to the Cohesity custom reporting database. So let's launch Power BI. And in the meantime, let's go, let me get out of here, I'll start from scratch. SSH into the Cohesity cluster. And go to Iris CLI and type custom reporting DB. And it gives you the node IP, port, username, and password to access the database. So let's click on Get Data. And under Database, we select Postgres Database. And what happened? There it is. You put in the IP, colon, port. Let's just double check that real quick. Okay, and then database is Postgres. And click OK. Username is reporting_read. And the password is this. I'm going to copy and paste that. And click Connect. And it gives you a little warning about encryption or whatever. Click OK. And there is our tables. That's it.